Cool. So, morning, Matt. Nice to see you. Thanks for joining us this morning for this sort of fireside chat or customer insight. What we're really trying to do is just give customers an insight really into your additive journey. You know, especially with us, but even just as a company getting into additive, and particularly for you, I guess, in the production sense. I think it'd be really interesting to share your story as it's a great application, but it also has in some way been affected by the events of 2020, and I think we found some interesting problems to solve. So just start us off really, if you could, it'd be great if you could just introduce who you are, the company you work for, and what you do within the company.
Yeah, of course. So my name is Matt Smith. I work as a new technologies engineer at Corin. We're an orthopedic medical device manufacturer in the UK. We're headquartered in Cirencester in Gloucestershire, and the headquarters is also our manufacturing facility. So we're spread across 8 units here in the industrial estate in Cirencester in the UK. But we sell our products worldwide.
Great.